Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Spectra Mesh Office Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, mechanism, backrest, a pair of arms, 5-star base, gas strut, 5 casters. Part C, 8 22mm bolts. Part D, 4 30mm bolts. Part E, 8 bolt caps. Part F, 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, using 4 of the 22mm Part C bolts, attach the arms to the backrest frame. The arms will perfectly slot into the cavity in the backrest. Do not fully tighten these bolts at this stage. Now turn the assembly over and slide the seat pad in between the loosely fitted arms and attach using the 4 remaining 22mm Part C bolts. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten all 8 Part C bolts. Next, attach the mechanism to the seat pad using 4 30mm Part D bolts, making sure the arrow on the mech points to the front of the seat pad. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. With the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Lastly, insert the 8-part E bolt caps into the holes on the armrests. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Spectra Mesh Office Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.